And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can use the filter method. It creates a new array, but only adds the elements that pass a certain test. And you set that up via a function yet again. Let's print out the array here first. I've got a couple of random numbers. Some of them are below 10. So for example, 7, 5, 4, and 8. Let's say we want to filter them out. We'll create a new variable, and we call it bigger 10. So we want to keep all the numbers that are bigger and filter out the rest. I set that equal to arr or array name dot filter, the method, and then we set up the function. Elem is the element, so a placeholder for it, and then equal greater than elem greater than 10. So this would give us all the numbers that are bigger than 10, starting at 11. And if I change this here, there you go. So 7 is gone, 5 is gone, 4 and 8. If there would be a 10, the 10 would also be gone. So we make that bigger than 10 and not bigger than 9. Can make that smaller, but I believe smaller is written with 2L, right? So let me fix that here. All that we have to do now is to invert our bigger than or greater than sign into a smaller than. And we have to change our variable here. We want to print out the smaller 10 now. Let me refresh it, and we have 7, 5, 4, and 8. And this is how you can use the filter method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.